Hello friends, in this video we'll see something interesting again with that UK Ireland toolkit. So let's go to the tool space, and then you have here on the toolbox you access the additional tools, and on this not in additional, actually in the corridor. So maybe sometimes for the for the extent of your corridors, you only have this on your cross sections. Okay, it would be great if you have a file that has all the extents of the cross sections, so that we can get from this using this tool kit. Okay, so here is this corridor limits report. Okay, so let's right click and execute as we do with others, and then there will be a pop-out option, and here you have, if you have multiple alignments, then it more will be available as a list, and the report can be saved to a location, so we can input a location that we want. We can just open a location. Okay, tutorial location, civil report. You can name the report. I will just keep it like that and save. Okay, and then say create report. Okay, after creating report, it will open in your default browser, and it's like this. See, so the left of daylight offset is how much? It's variable and it's there, and X, Y, and G is there, the report, and then right daylight offset is also there, and X, Y, G is here. So this is also a cool thing that you can uh, do with the UK Ireland toolkit for Civil 3D. So that's all for this short video, guys. See you in another video. Interesting video.